Good day everyone, again I'm Reggie Condesa, your educational blog creator, and welcome back again to our educational blog. In my last blog, I discussed the use of ICT to facilitate the teaching and learning process. And now, for this video, I will discuss to you the project-based multimedia learning for education or PBML. First, let me define what is project-based multimedia learning mean. So, it's best to start with some definitions. By project-based learning, we mean a teaching method in which students acquire new knowledge, skills in the course of designing, planning, and producing some product or performance. By multimedia, we mean the integration of media objects such as text, graphics, video, animations, and sounds to present and convey information. Problem-based learning or PBL is a student-centered pedagogy in which students learn about a subject through the experience of solving an often problem found in a trigger material. The PBL process does not focus on problem solving with a definition solution, but it allows for the development of other desirable skills and attributes. This includes knowledge acquisition, enhanced group collaboration, and communication. Project-based learning is an old and respected educational method. The use of multimedia is a dynamic new form of communication. The emerging of project-based learning, English and multimedia represents a powerful teaching strategy that is called project-based multimedia learning. Project-based multimedia learning or PBL is a method of teaching in which students acquire new knowledge and skills in the course of designing, planning, and producing a multimedia product. Project-based multimedia learning has 7 key dimensions such as core curriculum, real-world connection, extended time frame, student decision-making, collaboration, assessment, and multimedia. First, let me discuss the core curriculum. At the foundation of any units of this type is a clear set of learning goals drawn from whatever curriculum or set of standards is in use. We use the theme core to emphasize that project-based multimedia learning should address the basic knowledge and skills all students are expected to acquire. Second is the real-world connection. Project-based multimedia learning strives to be real. It seeks to connect students' work in the wider world in which students live. Third is the extended time frame. A good project is not a one-shot lesson. It extends over a significant period of time. The actual length of a proper project may vary with the age of the student and the nature of the project. Fourth is the student decision making. In project-based multimedia learning, students have a say. Teachers look carefully at what decisions have to be made and divide into teachers and students based on a clear rationale. Another one is the assessment. Regardless of the teaching method used, data must be gathered on what students have learned. When using project-based multimedia learning, teachers face additionally assessment challenges because multimedia products by themselves do not represent a full picture of student learning. Students are gaining content information, becoming better team members, solving problems, and making choices about what new information to show in their presentation. We considered assessment to have 3 different roles in that project-based multimedia context. First is activities for developing expectation. Second, activities for improving the media products. And lastly, third, the activities for compiling and disseminating of learning. Fifth is the collaboration. We define collaboration as working together jointly to accomplish a common intellectual purpose in a manner superior. Students may work in pairs or in teams of as many as 5 or 6. Whole class collaboration are also possible. The goal is for each student involved to make a separate contribution to the final work. And lastly, the multimedia. In multimedia projects, students do not learn simply by using multimedia produced by others. As students design and research their project, instead of gathering only written notes, they also gathered and create pictures, video clips, recording, and other media objects that will serve as the raw material for the final product. Project-based learning is encouraged active learning. PBML encourages students to take an active role in their learning by engaging in the process of problem solving. This approach helps students develop critical thinking and creative thinking skills by encouraging them to generate ideas, ask questions, and find solutions to real-world problems. Develop problem-solving skills, or PBML, provides students with opportunities to develop problem-solving skills which are essential in both academic and professional settings. By working on complex problems that acquire creative solutions, students can develop their analytical, critical, and creative thinking skills. PBML promotes collaboration and communication. PBML promotes collaboration and communication among students. By working in groups, the students can learn from each other, share ideas, and work together to find solutions to complex problems. This approach helps to develop critical thinking and communication skills that are essential in today's workplace. PBML encourages reflection and self-evaluation. Encourages students to reflect on their learning process and evaluate their own progress. This approach helps students to develop metacognitive skills such as self-awareness, self-regulation, and self-evaluation, which are essential for lifelong learning. And lastly, addresses learning goals. PBML can be designed to address specific learning goals, such as content knowledge, problem-solving skills, and critical thinking skills. By aligning PBML with learning goals, educators can create a learning experience that is both engaging and effective in helping students achieve their academic and professional goals. That's all everyone, and I hope you learned a lot from our discussion, and God bless.